Zambia builds highway bridge at cost of one Chivayo car. The 3rd of September 2025. Spread the love. By correspondent, Zambian engineers are completing a major Bailey-type highway bridge for just $203,000, an amount less than the value of a single luxury vehicle, often splashed by controversial Zimbabwean businessman Wicknell Chivayo. The bridge, likened to Zimbabwe's Birchnuff structure, was built at a total cost of $8 million and is expected to open to traffic next week. It will bring relief to local communities, who for months have endured a 120 kilometers detour through Sinda due to flooding. This project will directly benefit farmers, traders, schoolchildren, and mothers who have been struggling to cross safely, said analyst Mark Simu, praising the development. The construction, achieved with 100% local resources, stands in stark contrast to Zimbabwe's controversial Mverwi Bridge project, which drained $1.8 million amid allegations of inflated costs and shady tender processes. The Zambian government has already lined up 9 more such bridges across the country, all to be delivered by local engineers. Observers say the initiative reflects President Hichilema's vision of cutting waste, while delivering meaningful infrastructure where it matters most. Meanwhile, comparisons with Zimbabwe have reignited debate over the culture of corruption and extravagance. Critics note how Chivayo, a known ally of former Zambian leader Edgar Lungu and linked to Zimbabwe's ruling elite, has poured millions into foreign-made luxury cars for celebrities and politicians, some of which have already been involved in accidents. With Zambia demonstrating value for money in development projects, questions remain over Zimbabwe's failure to curb tender corruption and prioritize citizens' needs.